5 simple ways to increase your brain power. Believe me, everything is brain, and this brain is chemical and electricity. Yes, our thoughts carry this electricity or vibration. As you see, there is a frequency, it is measured. So everybody, welcome back, and today we are going to dive into a fascinating topic: how to increase your brain thinking, making it more sharper, more powerful. Whether you are a student, professional, or someone who is just looking for sharpening their mind, these are the 5 tips that you can unlock your brain's full potential. And let's get started. And each one of you, not only listening, it's also a practice which I invite you. So tip number 1, stay hydrated. Did you know even slight dehydration can affect your cognitive function? Make sure you are drinking enough water throughout the day. Even if you have to set alarms, no problem. Do it because you have so much to deal. This makes your brain sharp and focused. The mind-body exercise. It is not only the physical exercise. Yes, physical activity increases the blood flow to the brain and it promotes the growth of new brain cells. So aim for at least 10 minutes of exercise, ideally 5 times a week, whether it is running, walking, yoga. Choose it and make it come slowly sinking to your habit. Third, challenge your brain. You have this challenge increasing the activeness of your brain, pushing your mental limits to puzzles, memories, games. You can even learn music, a new language, instrument. The more you challenge your brain, the stronger it gets. And you need to experience and experiment whatever I'm saying and choose your kind. I'm just giving you suggestion here. The 4th tip is get enough sleep. I've also made 2 videos on sleep because sleep is really very important, and at this time sleep has become a little concern for people. So prioritize your sleep. See the quality of your sleep as is essential for your memory consolidation and mental clarity. Aim for at least 7 to 8, 9 hours of sleep to recharge and process the information. It is like whatever you do during the day, the important part is picked up, it is processed and picked up and put in your memory. So that important is processes. And also number 5 is practice mindfulness. 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds. Just you can sit idly with no thoughts, one way. Meditation with music, other way. Meditation just working on your breath. Many ways, so many ways. Choose your way. Just a few minutes during the day, you can do multiple times. You will see a noticeable difference in your thinking power. How did you find this? And just comment and let me know what is that you related the most. And also you can comment later also like how this helped you or which one did you put in your life as a practice. It's all about, believe me, small changes we can lead to big significant improvement, and that is what we want here, to become a bigger container, a better person. So do like and subscribe the video if you found this video helpful, and do give me any topic also where you want to hear or you want to know more about that subject. So like and subscribe, my dear friends. See you in the next video.